What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about treating your low content book business as a business and not a hobby. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. We're also talking a lot about passive income. So if you're interested, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you have not started with selling low content books yet, or you want to get better at keyword research, then check out the Printing Profits course. You can get there by hitting the link in the description down below or going to printingprofits.com with no G. This will show you exactly step by step on everything that you need to know. So, low content book publishing. Have you started? If you have, how are you treating this business? So let's just go over to my KDP back office. So are you treating this as a business or more like a hobby? Because if you treat it like a hobby, you're never going to make much money. And if you treat it like a business and do your business tasks every single day, then you can easily turn it into a part-time or a full-time income. Now with me, I work about 2 hours a day on this business. That is it, not a lot at all, but I more or less do it every day. Now I've been doing this for around about nearly 4 months now. So let's just go the last 90 days and you can see my results. I had some really good days in February, but back then when I started, I was doing this every single day, finding good books, creating books and uploading them to KDP, and I was treating it like a business. So no matter what, I was doing this every single day. Now I've got close to 1,000 books. I've started easing off a little bit and I'm doing it every other day instead. Well, I'm still working on this business every single day, but instead of doing all my research and uploading in one day, I've spread it out. So now I do my research, create my books on one day, and then I'll upload them the second day. I'm just doing this because I already have quite a big library on KDP, close to those 1,000 books. And as you can see, I sell books every single day. Now obviously some days are better than others and some days and the other way as well. So some days I might only sell 4 books and other days I might sell over 20, and I'm averaging $30 to $50 every single day, and it's created a nice little income for me, all because I treat it like a business and not a hobby. So let's just go to the last 90 days. You can see all the books that I have sold. I've sold 1,722 units of my books, and as you can see over here, February was my best month because I had those Valentine's Day notebooks really take off. So if we go here to AK reports, you can see my income the last 90 days, over 4,000 in royalties, and like I said, I average $30 to $50 every single day, completely passive. But again, it all comes down to treating it like a business and not a hobby. So some days you might not feel like you want to do anything, but you still should, because that's discipline. If you had a 9-to-5 job and you went to work and you didn't feel like working, you would still do it anyway, wouldn't you? You can't not work when you work for someone else. So treat that like this as well, or treat this like that as well. So no matter what, just do the stuff that needs to get done for that day for your book publishing business. And if you do that every single day, it will pay off in the long term and you will get results. Look, I'm no one special. I'm not even a designer. I don't have any design skills. Yet I was able to turn this into a nice little income stream for me because I'm consistent and I treat it like a business instead of treating it like a hobby. Now, I've even had people comment on my YouTube videos saying that KDP and selling low content books does not work because they're a designer, they have 100 books or whatever, how many they have, and they don't make sales. Well, I'm guessing they don't treat it like a business. They probably just treat it like a hobby, and that's why they don't get results. See, when I first started online, I treated everything like a hobby and then wondered why I never got any results doing anything that I did. And that was the main reason, because I treated it like a hobby and not a business. See, your income will be in direct proportion to how much time and effort you put into your business. So if you don't put much time or effort into your business, you're not going to get many results. Think about that for a second. So your income is in direct proportion to how much time and effort you put into running your business. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.